What's up, guys? In this video, it is going to be super helpful because I will be sharing the signaler that I use to make sure that I am getting the best profits from the trade that I do. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is TradingView.com, and you could go ahead and check this one out. It will be in the description of the video. But I wanted to really point out in this video is right now what you can see is the lines. This is the one by default that you will see in TradingView. So this is the lines, and then this is the candlesticks. You can go ahead and check that one out. Now what I have, guys, all right, is look at this right there. You see that, the difference? I have the long and the short indicators right there. Now that is going to be very, very helpful for my trades because I would know which point I will be making the trade and what should I do? Should I do a long? Should I do a short? Right? So if let me go ahead and, all right. So you will see here, guys, this is the chart of Bitcoin. Now you will be able to use this signaler in whatever type of trading you will use in TradingView. Now you can see here, this is short and you will have that indicator right there. Say for example, this one right here. See it? See that? The small arrow, right? Okay, so if you were able to get that signal, let me go ahead and show you how much you will be able to get out of that trade. So that is 4%, okay? So that's not much, but it's still, you know, if you were able to get that, get a hold of that trade, you would still be able to get 4% of your trade. Now, the next one that I would also like to show you is this, all right? This one is signaling long, okay? Now from this point going to this, let's see how much I was able to get out of that trade. Okay, so if you were able to get a hold of that trade, you will be able to get 8.09%. Now, if you are not that risk of a taker, then you would still be able to get at least like 5%, right? You're not going to be able to get that full 8% because maybe it's a total risk for us. Now, different traders have different risks. Now, if you are not that of a risk taker, then you would be able to get maybe like 5%, 6% from this one. So if you add up all the details, right? I mean, all of the percentages, all of the profits that you got from the previous ones, like this one, another one is like this. So for example, this one right here, right? So from this point, let's gauge this. All right, this is another one. Okay, this is another 6.66%. Now just get like 50% of that, like 3%, right? At least you are able to get another 3%. Now, if you're new to trading, then this is going to be very, very helpful for you. But of course, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research, study technical analysis. That way you would be able to compare the ones that they have here, like the signals that you're getting versus the technical analysis that you were able to do. Now that is for the intermediate or for the experienced traders. I know for a fact that you guys are already doing your technical analysis. Now this is very, very helpful because again, it's always very good to have something that you could compare your technical analysis from, right? So you have your technical analysis, you have this signal right here. So if you compare it, you would be able to know, okay, oh wow, I did the right technical analysis, or I'm not going to follow this because I have a really good feeling that my own technical analysis is better for this round of entry of that trade, right? So those type of things. But again, you know, it's always good to have all sorts of tools, all sorts of features, all sorts of, you know, things that you could use for you to be able to improve your profitability for the trades that you are doing. And here you have all the ones that you could use for your technical analysis. Okay, so those are the things that you need to go ahead and check out. And what's best, guys, let me go ahead and show you the signaler right now. All right, so this is my Telegram, guys, and as you can see, this is the signaler VIP right here up on top. Okay, you would see the signaler VIP. And the pricing is as follows. You have a 1-day free trial, which is really, really helpful for you to, you know, gauge it. Check it out first. See for yourself if this is something that would be very helpful for you or if it's going to be improving your trading profitability And after that, you would be able to decide if you're going to be taking in the per month or the one-time lifetime fee. Okay, so the one that I have right now is the one for the life. So I did the free trial first, and I feel that, this is going to be helpful in the long run, because when I tried it, I was able to get some really, really good profit out of all those trades. And right now, I'm still getting more and more, and I already am ROI with the $350 that I paid them. So go ahead and check them out, guys. See for yourself the power of having your signaler with your trading, and I'm sure that you're going to be very happy with the results of your trades. Hopefully you are getting the most profit right now to start off 2025. And despite of the market being down right now, being Bitcoin at like 83,000, we're still in good shape, guys, and hopefully you are able to catch those long and short trades and get as much profit as you can from them. And if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.